Introduction. Hello adventurers and culture seekers. When you hear the name, Naples, what comes to mind? Maybe the birthplace of pizza, the shadow of Mount Vesuvius, or a city brimming with passion and history. Today, we're going on a journey to one of Italy's most vibrant and authentic cities, captured in stunning 4K Ultra HD. We'll explore Naples not just as a destination, but as an experience, a feast for the eyes and a testament to a rich and complex history. Get ready to be immersed in the breathtaking beauty, the bustling energy, and the undeniable charm of this incredible city. 1. The Bay of Naples, a breathtaking panorama. Our journey begins with a sweeping view of one of the world's most famous natural harbors. Mount Vesuvius, the iconic volcano, stands as a dramatic, silent guardian over the city. Its presence is a constant reminder of both the city's ancient history and its powerful connection to nature. In 4K, every detail of its slopes, every wisp of cloud, is brought to life. The Gulf of Naples, the deep blue of the Tyrrhenian Sea, contrasts beautifully with the colorful buildings of the city. From the luxurious yachts in the marinas to the traditional fishing boats bobbing in the water, the bay is a canvas of life and light. Castel dell'Ovo, perched on the islet of Megaride, this ancient seaside castle offers a picturesque silhouette, especially at sunset. Its name, Egg Castle, comes from a legend that the Roman poet Virgil hid a magical egg in its foundations, and the city's fate would be tied to its safety. The Bay of Naples is a visual masterpiece, a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical grandeur. 2. A dive into the historic center, the heart of Naples. The UNESCO World Heritage listed historic center is a maze of history, art, and daily life. Spaccanapoli, this long, narrow street, whose name means Naples Splitter, literally divides the old city. Walking along it in 4K, you can feel the energy, the bustling shops, the laundry hanging from balconies, the lively conversations of locals. It's the authentic soul of Naples. Piazza del Plebiscito, the city's main square, is a masterpiece of neoclassical architecture. Imagine the grandeur of the royal palace on one side and the stunning colonnade of the Basilica of San Francesco di Paola on the other. It's a gathering place for locals and a must-see for visitors. Naples Cathedral, Duomo di Napoli. The Duomo is home to the famous ampulla containing the blood of San Gennaro, the city's patron saint. Its ornate architecture and stunning frescoes are a sight to behold, especially in high definition. Via San Gregorio Armeno. This is the famous Alley of Nativity scenes. Watch in 4K as local artisans craft intricate figurines all year round, a tradition that brings the streets to life with a unique festive spirit. The historic center is a living, breathing museum, where every alleyway and every building tells a story. 3. Palaces, catacombs, and underground mysteries. Naples is a city with multiple layers, and its secrets lie both above and below ground. The Royal Palace of Naples, a testament to the city's royal past, this magnificent palace is filled with opulent halls, historic apartments, and stunning art. The detail of the chandeliers and frescoes are spectacular in 4K. The Naples National Archaeological Museum, home to one of the most important collections of Roman artifacts in the world, this museum offers a window into the lives of the people of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Naples Underground, Napoli Sotterranea. For a truly unique experience, we descend into the catacombs and ancient Greek and Roman aqueducts beneath the city. In 4K, the eerie beauty of the underground chambers and the intricate network of tunnels reveal a completely different side of Naples. The Catacombs of San Gennaro. A journey through these early Christian burial sites offers a quiet, solemn look at the city's faith and history. The ancient frescoes and mosaics are a visual feast. Naples is a city of layers, where a vibrant present is built upon a fascinating, ancient past. 4. Pizza, pastries, and a culinary adventure. No trip to Naples is complete without indulging in its world-renowned food. The birthplace of pizza. Watch in 4K as a Neapolitan pizzaiolo masterfully stretches the dough, adds fresh ingredients, and bakes it in a wood-fired oven. The simple perfection of a classic margherita is a culinary art form. Sfogliatella. This iconic shell-shaped pastry, with its crispy layers and rich ricotta filling, is a taste of pure Neapolitan indulgence. Every flaky detail and creamy filling is captured in high definition. Neapolitan espresso. Experience the culture of a quick, strong espresso at a local cafe. It's more than just coffee, it's a social ritual, a quick dose of energy and connection. Street food. From fried pizza, pizza fritta, to arancini and sfogliatella, the streets of Naples are filled with delicious and affordable street food that is a delight for the senses. The food of Naples is a celebration of simple ingredients, tradition, and the pure joy of eating. Conclusion. Naples is a city of contrasts, chaotic yet charming, ancient yet modern, gritty yet breathtakingly beautiful. It's a place that assaults the senses in the best possible way, with the sounds of the bustling streets, the aroma of fresh food, the textures of ancient stones, and the vivid colors of the bay and its buildings. Captured in stunning 4K Ultra HD, Naples is more than just a destination, it's an unforgettable journey into the heart of Italian passion and history. Come and experience the vibrant soul of Naples for yourself. Outro. What part of Naples would you most want to explore? Have you been to this incredible city? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more stunning journeys around the world. Thanks for watching and ciao.